Hi guys, welcome to Edit Pals channel. In this video, we want to see how we can easily make animations through the phone. Please watch the video until the end and leave your comments. Let's go! Enter the Chrome browser. Search for Adobe Express Animate from Audio. Tap on the first search. Then click Start Now. On the open page, you will see different characters. Choose any one you like to determine the character of the animation. Choose the animation of the girl. You can choose the background from the background section. And you can choose the image size from the size section. From the browse section, you can choose your saved voice and record the voice from the record section. We wait for the voice to sync with the video.
Let me teach you how to make animations like this with your phone.
To download videos, just create an account and download videos easily. Select Sign Up. Choose your email. After creating your account, the file can be downloaded easily.
Let me teach you how to make animations like this with your phone.
If you enter the site again, your account will be created and there is no need to create a new account. And you will create and download the video quickly, so we repeat the steps again.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell to support us.
The animation is made quickly. If you have watched the video this far, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell to support us.